waited until my mouth was closed.
Wasn't even on you, eh?
I just stuck my head underneath the taps and my grey all go.
Oh yeah, it's pretty white now, eh? Snowy.
Not really.
Yes, it is. Far out.
Make it tomorrow?
Yep.
At the interview?
No,
When's that?
soon.
Soon.
At 7 o'clock.
In the morning.
No, tonight. Soon! Because they have to work during the day.
Who's going for the interview? You and...
I have no idea.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
You're not putting me on bloody internet without my permission.
What a nice day. Time you finish work?
The big girls are crack up, eh?
Who? Cara?
She had to try and nail that skateboard thing. Oh, man.
Yeah,
Just
she's
the
a,
slope was too steep.
Yeah.
Oh no, she had to try and nail it.
she's a bit psycho. That's why she was having a nana.
Yeah. The slope was too steep. They started from the what do you call it? Mailbox. That's a good slope there.
I don't even know if it is a slope.
I see a little bubba hanging down there on the scooter.
Oh.
Little butt hanging there.
Oh. See that slope next to the neighbours, eh?
Nah. Use the helmet, the pads, knees, pads.
There's a cliff off there.